Hey guys, it's just me. We're here today. We're checking out Waterfalls. We've come here a couple times over the years, but we're camping really close, so we decided to swing back and make it a little family trip. So I'm just gonna flip the camera around and we'll show you guys. So we're here with my brother and Raylan. Can you say hi? And we got Peter Jr., Olivia, Sylvia, Isabel, Apollo, Luna, Peter, and of course Tiffany. And we got baby Scarlett in here. She's sleeping right now. And we're just checking out. The kids love climbing on the rocks. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place to be. And so, and you can walk all the way up to the top. Check it out. Are you smiling? So yeah, I just figured I'd take a little clip and, you know, kind of show you guys how things have been going and, you know. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Yep.
Yes. Stop.
So guys, we are camping and we are getting nasty storms. There's a break in a storm right now, but we were swimming and it started lightning and thundering. And we ended up going in the camper and this big tree fell down. It broke right about there. It fell down in the road. And we have some more nasty storms coming, so I'm hoping that limb right there doesn't break and fall on our vehicles or anything crazy like that. So
Or else we'll lose our vans and our trucks.
So hopefully we're gonna try and enjoy our last couple days here, and we'll see. So
bye, subscribe. Bye.
subscribe.
Bye.